Hello and welcome back folks. Today we have a recipe from this part of the world, Malaysia and Singapore. There are many variations to laksa but generally fall into two camps of broth used, either with a sour tamarind broth or with a coconut broth. We're making a prawn laksa with coconut broth. So if you're ready, let's go! Soak the dried shrimp and the dried chilies in hot water for 30 minutes. Drain and then add into a blender. One teaspoon of shrimp paste. 1 stalk of lemongrass. A handful of macadamia nuts. 2 cloves of garlic. 1 piece of Galangal. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 2 shallots. 1 teaspoon of ground coriander seeds. And 3 tablespoons of oil. Blend to a smooth paste. Fry the laksa paste with 1 tablespoon of oil for 5 minutes. Add 1 can of coconut milk. I have a video for how to choose the best value coconut milk if you want to know how to do that. I'll leave a link in the description. Pour in 500 milliliters of fish broth. Add 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, bring the mixture up to a boil and cook for 30 minutes. Add in the prawns and cook them until they turn pink. Cook the rice noodles according to the packet's instructions. Pour the broth and prawns on top of the noodles. Laksa would not be complete without the accompaniments. Use bean sprouts, coriander, mint leaves, fried tofu, and some sambal if you want to add some heat. Thanks very much for watching folks. I hope that you enjoy making this recipe. Let me know if you want to see some more Malaysian recipes and see you next time.